Alright guys, so here's a little update. We've got the entire spare tire removed. We actually had to cut it out, and this opens up a lot of room to start undercoating the frame, which I really need to do, and it's going to look really awesome. This thing is really starting to come together. Right now we've got the edge mounted here. Oh, it looks so nice. I'm just so excited. We've got everything for the programmer planned out. Everything is going to be hooked up shortly. Got all this pulled out, reached the ECU to wire up the DSP5 switch. Alright, so right now, again, the exhaust just kind of mocked up there. Just look at the difference between the stock downpipe and MBRP 3-inch downpipe. It's really flat, it's got that 90-degree edge. This one's a lot more round, will have a lot more flow. So as you can see, this is the MBRP 3-inch downpipe. It is actually now on. We had to cut the heat shield off, as you can see right here, just because it was in the way. We just couldn't reach around. Yeah. So this is a transcooler line, and it was actually almost touching this pipe, so we had to bend this inward a little bit. I think this is going to be what I'm going to end up doing. Since we took the spare tire out, there's plenty of room to straighten this pipe out. This is the final piece, and it's actually on here. We're about to start it up for the first time. Alright, so the entire truck is complete. Huge thank you to these guys at Super Service Automotive. If you have any LMM Duramax, they would love to work on it. Well, just make sure the parts fit correctly. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll probably end this with like some exhaust clips of it because it sounds incredible. But huge thank you to these guys, and take care and have a nice day.